Welcome to a new video. Right now I'm gonna show how to put text behind image in Premiere Pro. Okay, I'll put the image in my timeline. Now let's put a text behind this image. First of all, need to make a text. Let's see how to make a text. When text is ready, drag it above the image. Drag the text to make it equal to the image. I'm positioning the text. Now I will take the text behind the man. Select the text and go to the effect controls. Turn on keyframe of opacity. Put the playhead at the very beginning. Then click this pen tool. Select as much area as you want to put text behind the image. I'm selecting this whole guy because I want to put the text behind this guy. Remember, the pointer ends where you started. Now we can see that the text has been deleted, but we want to see the text as much as we did not select it. So for that, simply check this inverted. And now you can see that some part of the text has gone behind the man in the image as much as I selected. That's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe this channel. Thanks.